What's up, my peeps? Al Smith here. Today I'm at the Hilly yard, the yard on the hill, and what I gotta do over here is a little bit of detail work as well as my regular maintenance. So this particular bush has been needing to be trimmed up a little bit on the bottom. It has all of this stuff right here. And I've been meaning to trim it up, but I really just haven't had the time. So I figured, why not use today to do it, get a little footage, and go from there, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all know my saying. If you ready, I'm ready. Let's get it. Right, so that's done. That's an area over here on the other side of the house that I had been wanting to kind of like trim up. And again, it's one of those things where it's like you don't really have the time to do it. And it's not a requirement. So it's not like I have to do it or that it was requested for me to do it. Just sometimes I just see things and it's like, let's go ahead and try to get that taken care of. So I got a little time today. And I'm like, yeah, let's get it taken care of. This normally gets in my way when I'm coming back here with my mower because it droops so low. So I figured might as well try to get it out the way. Oh man, I can't cut that. It's a bird's nest. Wow, I wonder what type of bird this is that'll leave their bird nest so low. Can you guys see that? That's an actual bird's nest. Wow. So I'm not gonna cut that, but I've never seen a bird's nest be so low. Normally birds try to keep their babies out of harm's way, but this might be a new parent. The instincts haven't kicked in yet, so I'll look out for her. But yeah, just kind of wanting to do a little bit of detail stuff. And this is a patio ligustrum. So everything that I'm doing is completely safe. It's not like some trees where you can't do anything to them. I haven't walked the yard yet, so I don't know what all needs to be done. I know I need to do my regular maintenance, but do a little bit of cutting. The backyard actually looks pretty good, to be honest. It actually looks pretty good. So that's a wrap with that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and start edging, weed eating, doing all of my regular maintenance. All right, let's get it. gonna just rake up this stuff and I'm gonna start blowing it off. The grass is under some stress. I don't know if it's getting enough water, so cutting it ain't gonna do anything but put more stress on it. So I'm not gonna do that. All right, my peeps, let's go ahead and do the final walkthrough. So this is the ligustrum that I trimmed. I really wasn't trying to put like any type of significant shape on it. I just wanted to trim up the stuff that was kind of like hanging down. So that's that. I didn't cut this area at all. I didn't even weed eat over here. This area right here, I didn't cut. I did weed eat. I edged it up. This is the bush that I was trimming, and it looks very good at this point. Happy with that. Here are the edges. I always keep a pack of edges on my person. Y'all know my saying. There are the edges on that side. Here are the edges on that side. And I left the bag. And here's the final view. If y'all like the content, if y'all enjoying the content, don't forget to leave me a like and comment. All right, so I'm out.